Hello everyone, XQ Crafting here. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm bringing another diamond painting unboxing, and I will do the kitting up as well, which is just organizing the drills in the little containers. Before the unboxing, I would like to give you a brief disclaimer. I bought this painting with my own money. This video is not sponsored, there is no affiliate links, and all said here is just my opinion. This is an unboxing of a diamond painting from ArtMinds. I bought this painting at Michael's the Christmas of 2021, but I never got to do it. As you can see, it's a Christmas theme. I will have a second video showing the process of doing this painting from beginning to end. It's gonna come up later in my channel. The painting is called Candles. It cost me $14.99 on US dollars. This painting took me 17 hours to complete, divided into 15 days. The drills are round, and the drilling area is 16 by 20 inches, or a little bit over 40 by 50 centimeters. This particular canvas come with 30 colors and no ABs. ABs, if you don't know, it stands for Aurora Borealis, and they are iridescent drills that adds a lot of shine to the canvas. But this one didn't have any. In the box, you will find the canvas with the printed image, the drill tray all bolt, a squishy or foam for the pen to give more comfortable grip, a single placing pen, wax in a small container, and a few tiny baggies, and also the instructions. This canvas have legend on both sides. It does not come with the stickers or inventory list, and I'll briefly show you the drills. So for the kitting up process, which is just organizing the drills in containers, I made a colored copy of the legend with my printer, added double-sided tape to the back of the copy, and then I cut it to size to fit the lid of my tiny containers. I got this container at Amazon. They're small, but I normally use those for small paintings, small and medium paintings. What I do is I fill out the container, and then I keep the spare drills in a bigger bag that also got on Amazon. Once I finish with those drills, I just fill out the container again. I prefer to do that way to keep organized. My final thoughts on this painting is I like it. It was very easy to make. The symbols are very visible. I didn't get confused because of the symbols are not similar to one another. The colors are very vibrant and the drills did not pop out. In regarding the trash, in the drills, I did have a little bit of tiny beads, but they're easy to separate too. The bit of trash that I actually found on this one is the same you actually found in many other diamond paintings. So that's not a deal breaker for me. The wax stayed sticky for longer than a few others I tried before, but that's also not a deal breaker for me. I enjoyed the process and I am really pleased with the final results. I hope you try it too. Diamond painting is not something difficult. It's very time consuming, but it's fun. You can start with something small. Maybe you love it too. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload a new video on my channel. Subscribing is free and it helps my little channel grow. Consider sharing with your friends if you like. Maybe they would like to learn some more about diamond painting too. Okay, everyone, take care. Thank you. Bye.